The UK government has officially introduced a major update to its immigration policy for November 2025, bringing some of the most significant reforms seen in recent years to the rules surrounding long-term residency and indefinite leave to remain. These changes are expected to affect thousands of migrants who hope to build a permanent life in the United Kingdom. The new proposal focuses on extending the residency requirement for ILR eligibility from 5 years to 10 years, meaning applicants will now need to complete a full decade of continuous residence before being able to apply for permanent status. This reform is being presented as part of a wider plan to strengthen integration, accountability, and community participation among long-term residents. The new rule is likely to be implemented gradually between 2026 and 2030, allowing time for existing residents and future applicants to adapt to the new timeline. People planning to settle permanently or pursue British citizenship will therefore need to carefully plan their stay, maintain stability in their immigration status, and ensure full compliance with all UK regulations during the extended period. Alongside this, the government is introducing new eligibility and compliance checks to make sure that only those who meet the highest standards of conduct and contribution can move towards settlement. Every applicant will now go through stricter background verification, including proof of a clear criminal record, absence of bankruptcy or unpaid debts, and confirmation that there has been no misuse of public funds. The aim of these checks is to ensure that long-term residents demonstrate both financial stability and social responsibility. Furthermore, applicants will be required to show active participation in the UK's workforce or local community. This may include evidence of stable employment, consistent national insurance payments, and even voluntary work that reflects engagement with and contribution to British society. The government believes this step will help identify those who have genuinely integrated into the UK and are positively contributing to the nation's economy and culture. The update also brings renewed attention to language and cultural understanding. The English language requirement will now be more rigorous, with applicants needing to demonstrate a higher level of fluency and comprehension to ensure they can effectively communicate and participate in everyday life across the UK. The Life in the UK test will remain a crucial part of the process, designed to measure an applicant's understanding of British traditions, laws, and values. Both of these elements are seen as essential for promoting unity and integration within the multicultural fabric of the country. With these changes, the message is clear: the UK wants future citizens who are not only living in the country but actively contributing to it in meaningful ways. Those seeking to secure permanent status will need to prepare well in advance, maintaining clean financial and legal histories while building a consistent record of community involvement and employment. The process will be more challenging, but it also aims to reward individuals who show real commitment and dedication to making the UK their long-term home. It is important for migrants to begin preparing now, keeping documents organized, ensuring all taxes and insurance contributions are up to date, and avoiding any legal or financial issues that could lead to complications in future applications. Over the next few years, immigration advisors expect a growing focus on personal responsibility, transparency, and genuine contribution as core values within the UK immigration framework. These reforms signal a shift towards a more merit-based and integrity-driven system, where effort, contribution, and lawful conduct play a central role in determining long-term settlement opportunities. In summary, the new decade-long residency requirement, enhanced eligibility checks, and higher language standards together represent a major evolution in the UK's approach to permanent immigration. For many aspiring residents, it will mean a longer journey towards settlement, but one that ultimately encourages stronger integration, deeper cultural understanding, and a more secure foundation for those who truly wish to call the United Kingdom their home. Staying informed, planning early, and living responsibly will now be the keys to success for anyone working toward permanent residency under these new immigration rules.